Hi, ladies and gentlemen. With this song's going out to our good friend Neil Hodgson, the Burnley Bullet, a once great northern motorcycle racer who I think was, I don't know, was he a star of Darley once?
No, I never.
Oh, well, I think he might have won a world championship or something in a British championship or a couple of British championships. But anyway, we know that he has had issues in the past with certain things. Dogging. And
dogging.
We just obviously wanted to. That's a joke, by the way, for our legal team. This is all satire, which means we're exempt from any form of prosecution. So we want to do our own version here of the Prince classic, "Purple Rain." Stu.
Purple Nan.
Oh fuck! Sorry.
Have you done the wrong
Sorry,
song?
Neil.
'I never meant to cause thee any sorrow.
Sarah.
I never meant to cause thee any pain.
Dipping.
I only wanted one time to see, to laughing.
Laughing. Laughing. Laughing.
I only want to see you wanking in the Burnley Rain. 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 Only want to see thee wanking in the Burnley Rain. I never wanted to be your wanking lover. I only wanted to be some kind of friend.
Amen.
Baby, I could never wank over another unless you paid. It's just a shame our wanking friendship had to end. Burnley Rain, Burnley Rain. Burnley Rain, Burnley Rain. I want to be home, I don't want to be in Catalonia. Burnley Rain, Burnley Rain. I only want to see you wanking through a window pane. Honey, I know, touch arms and fucking touch changing. Oh aye, up in the air, up in the air. It's time we went off with someone new. That means you too there, Neil. Aye, happen. You say you want a man, or a woman, or a hermaphrodite, but you're gonna make up your mind. I think you better close it and let me guide you to the Burnley Rain. Burnley Rain, Burnley Rain. What the fuck are you doing? We fucking got it right then.
Burnley Rain.
Burnley Rain. Oh, Burnley. Burnley's the best place in the world.
Walk at the wrong town.
Burnley Rain, Burnley Rain. Oh, I love Burnley. It's so dark and demonic.
Only wanna see you wanking in the Burnley Rain.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was our
window pane. Sorry, window pane.
That was our own tribute there to Burnley, which is the dogging capital of the Northwest.
It's my favourite place for a holiday destination or a long weekend, I have to say.
Only if you're wanking in a Cortina.
I prefer Capri's.
Capri.